each morning around the same time, and they start up the engines of their mobile couch, and they get on the road around the same time, grinding along bumper to bumper in their mobile couch, and they go and they stop, and they stop and they go. Why the hell do they do it? They don't even know. They got lots of them all around town, littered like beer cans all over the road, and they keep making more of them every day. But they don't get no better, they just built the same way. Now around about 9, they get at their job. What will they do with the mobile couch? It's a big hunk of metal, it weighs 2 tons. No, it don't gonna fit into the broom closet. With the science today, would there be a way to fold it up nice so it fits real neat in the cubicle? Well, it ain't gonna happen, so what will they do? They buy up a farm, pave it with asphalt, and they do the same thing the very next year until the whole planet is covered with tar. Now they sit at the desk all day long, then around about 5 they do it again. They go out on the road about the same time, grinding along bumper to bumper in their mobile couch. They go and they stop, yeah, they stop and they go. Why the hell do they do it? They don't even know. So then they get home, but that ain't enough. Right after dinner they go buy some stuff, so they hop on the couch and off they go to the shopping mall that's only 3 blocks away. Now the greedy bastards who own all the oil want the roast to themselves that you paid for, so they charge a high fee, about $50, if you wanna go driving in the country. And the price of the gas you're burning away for the mobile couch is gonna go up to a very high cost, about 10 times the fee, 'cause there ain't that much left. Instead of finding a new energy, they started a war so they could get more of the fossil fuel, our ancient history. Now they let all that oil spill into the sea, and all of those cars all around town, littered like beer cans all over the road, that they keep making more of every day. Just gonna rust